Hey everyone, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fabric ornaments. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to cut a square out of any color of fabric, and you want it to be larger than what you're going to use to make the ornament round. I use a styrofoam ball, but you can use whatever you would like, as long as it's light. Then you want to cut a piece of twine for a bow and set it to the side for later. When you're ready to make your ornament, you want to place what you want to use to make the ornament round in the middle of the fabric. And then you want to bunch the edges of the fabric on the top of the ball. Then you want to tie the piece of twine you cut earlier around the fabric. And you can also adjust the fabric how you want it to look. When you're done, you want to tie the twine into a bow. After you tie the twine into a bow, you can glue anything you would like on the middle of the bow, and then you can trim the ends of the bow. The last thing you want to do is that you want to create the hook so the ornament can hang, and you want to start by taking another piece of twine and tying it into a loop. Then you want to spread the fabric at the top apart and put a drop of hot glue in the middle. Then you can put the knot part of the loop on the glue, and you're all done. And that's how you make fabric ornaments. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more DIYs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!